Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of Kingston, Jamaica, in the lively summer of 1980, there lived a young woman named Jacqueline. She was a radiant soul, working as a cashier at a small but bustling cosmetic store near the lively market square. Her smile was as warm as the Caribbean sun, and her spirit was as bright as the colorful murals that danced along the city streets. One sunny afternoon, as Jacqueline was restocking lipstick shades, the store door swung open, and in stepped Steve, a tall, charming man with a twinkle in his eye. He was the manager of the local jewel store, known for his love of sparkle and a heart full of dreams. His eyes immediately caught Jacqueline's, and for a moment, the world seemed to slow down. Steve approached the counter, and their conversation flowed effortlessly, like a gentle reggae rhythm. He admired her kindness and her laughter that sounded like music. Jacqueline was captivated by his genuine smile and the way he talked about his passion for jewelry, saying he believed each piece told a story of love and history. Over the next few weeks, Steve found every excuse to visit the cosmetic store, just to see Jacqueline's glowing face. They shared stories about their dreams. She spoke of someday opening her own beauty salon, and he dreamed of creating a jewelry line inspired by the island's vibrant culture. Their connection grew stronger, like the roots of a mighty mango tree. One evening, under a sky painted with the fiery hues of sunset, Steve took Jacqueline's hand and led her to the beach. The ocean breeze played with her hair as he gently presented her with a small, sparkling necklace, an island-inspired pendant, shining brighter than any star. "This," he said softly, "is just the beginning of our story. I want to be part of your world, Jacqueline." Her heart danced like the reggae beats that filled the air. With tears of happiness shining in her eyes, she whispered, "Yes, Steve. Let's write our story together, full of love, laughter, and the magic of Jamaica." And so, amidst the warmth of the island sun and the rhythm of life, their love blossomed, bright, joyful, and unforgettable, just like the beautiful island they called home.